Welcome. In front of me I have Insta360 One Air Twin Edition camera, and I'm going to show you how you can enter the settings of this device. So for the first we have to rise the screen, so click it one more time. Right now we have to open the quick menu, so swipe, then go on the right side and click on the settings icon. And here, for example, we can check the voice control command, and maybe we can also try to set up the screen auto sleep time. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.